Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. So as I stated, welcome back, and in today's video, let's take a look at some jaw-dropping living rooms in all decor styles. A lot of times on this channel, I'll just focus on one specific decor style, whether it's minimalism or contemporary, farmhouse, whatever. But I just wanted to do a video, just kind of a big mix of all decor styles, just so you can really appreciate the gorgeous rooms that are here. We will also be doing a video coming up pretty soon for some people that may not be certain about what their home decor style is. It'll just show you one room, like maybe a living room or a kitchen or bedroom, just in a ton of different styles, and you can really pick the ones that you just kind of feel drawn to and resonate with, and that'll give you a great idea of what your style is. But in today's video, let's take a look at this living room. Now this is going to be a relaxing, kind of kicked back video, which means I'm going to be quiet here in a moment. Besides the kitchen, the living room is definitely the heart of the home. It's the room that more than likely that you receive your guests in. It's the room that the family hangs out in. It's just a room that is always used. So it's certainly a room to put your stamp and your imprint on. As I stated, I'm going to let you enjoy these beautiful examples of different styles of room. I love this mirror, by the way. Maybe this will be a talking video. No, it'll be a relaxing video, but I hope you all enjoy it. Let me know down below. I know a lot of you comment and you already know what your style is, but so many more people are like, oh wow, I saw this video, didn't realize I was boho. Been boho for 30 years and didn't even realize it. It's so funny how just when you're drawn to certain things, and then of course they classify you into what decor style that is. But anyway, I'm rambling. Enjoy the video. I love this room too, a nice little coastal vibe. It's so pretty. So anyway, enjoy the video. I will see you all soon. I'm sorry, I just had to pop in one more time because if I had a tropical home on some island, I would want this to be my living room. Okay, that is all. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.